Hi, this is Jesse with BracketPal. Today I'm going to be demonstrating a brand new feature for the playoff bracket management, and that function is the mass edit feature, so allowing you to edit multiple matches very quickly. I'm going to use the 18U silver bracket here for this particular tournament that starts tomorrow. I'm going to click on it, and then this works for both pending playoff brackets and already populated playoff brackets. And you'll see there's a menu on the left. There's going to be the option for mass edit matches. The usual system when you are doing mass editing, if the auto scheduler doesn't fit the way exactly you want it, typically what you would end up having to do is click on each match and edit the criteria to say what court you want this particular match to be on. Like if we want this to be on 20, we have to change that and then save it. That can be tedious when you have to do many, many matches, as we do with this particular bracket that has both a main bracket as well as consolation brackets playing off as well. So the way that we would do this instead of editing each of those individually now is you can use this mass edit matches, which kind of works like a spreadsheet. So we click mass edit matches. That's going to bring us this particular form, and then we've got a list of all the matches that are in this particular bracket, broken up by their match number and their depth in the bracket. So start with the round of 32, then we'll get to the round of 16, the quarterfinals, semis, finals, and then it will jump into the consolation brackets, the 9th place bracket and the 17th place bracket. Editable currently are the options for playable, whether or not a match is visible, which day of the tournament that this particular match should play, the time, and the court. We may add additional features later to further speed this up, like things like putting in recording URLs and whatnot, but for right now, these are the features these are the particular options that are limited in this mass edit option. It's also oriented in the same way, top to bottom for the different rounds. So the round of 32, these are going to be oriented exactly the same way as the round of 32 would be on the bracket view itself. So in our case, for these 18 silver bracket, looking at the sheet that I've got here for where they want these courts to be, we're using courts 19, 20, 24, and 25. And we can see that those are being used here, 19, 20, 24, 25, starting at 8 o'clock. So far, we're good here. But then when we get to the next half of the round of 32, it's going 850, 850, 940, 940. We want all these to be at 850. It's trying to play because we're doing the additional consolation brackets, it's trying to play those matches as soon as they're available. But that's not the way that this particular tournament wants to structure it. So then we're going to use the same courts. We're going to go 19, 20, 24, and 25. So these are all good here up to the round of 32. And then this one will be at 1 p.m. And from here, we can save and then review our changes. So this is a very quick way of doing many, many court and time assignments very rapidly, kind of like editing it in Excel. So that's it. That's the mass edit bracket. This process would have typically taken 10 to 15 minutes for editing each match individually. And you can see we did that quite quickly. So thanks for watching. Take care.